Doesn't accounting in the West include riba and how it's permissible? No, not really. Unless you are, for example, a CFO for a company that asks you to manage its finances and they want you to take out loans in their name and they want you to invest their money in riba-based. But most accountants don't do that. So if you're an accountant and all you're doing is calculating taxes, calculating profit and loss, and recording the transactions of the company after they've happened, then you're not involved in the riba, really. It's not the case. Most of it is just analysis, data analysis, and producing reports to give accurate information to different stakeholders. So if that's the level of accountancy job you do, then you're not going to run into those problems necessarily. Obviously, don't work for an inappropriate boss or client. For example, you don't work for a bank. I do not recommend it. I don't believe that's going to be allowed. Or an insurance company. Don't work for those companies. I know that they do hire a lot of accountants, but there are plenty of other roles within private companies as management accounting or financial accounting, tax accounting. These are not going to be involved. Don't work for the government. Don't work for the tax office. Those jobs will not be allowed. If one works in a car store and he writes the riba contract, is he also cursed? Yes. So if you are writing a contract for an interest-based finance lease, or you're a witness to that, directly involved in this, then this is prohibited and is cursed, as mentioned in the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Obviously, in terms of accounting, accountants don't necessarily do that unless they are involved in that level of finance management. Not financial management. This is beyond financial management. This is now finance directorship or chief financial officers when they're actually making the transactions on behalf of the company and entering into loans. That will be prohibited. But the same thing for somebody who works in selling cars. If you are the one who is signing a finance contract with interest on behalf of or with the customer, or you're a witness to those contracts at the time of signing, this is prohibited. It's not allowed.